the only 3 hook styles you need to blow up your coaching business. And in this video, I want to go through the exact 3 hook styles you need to use within your content to get more clients, okay? To get the attention of your ideal clients and eventually convert them into a paying client, okay? So the hook of your content is the most important part of your videos, especially for short form content, okay? If you do not hook your viewers in, you will not grab their attention, which will mean they will not watch your content ever again, okay? Which is sad. Okay, you want people to watch your content, okay? You need to make a good first impression. If you do not, they will never watch your content again, okay? So it's so important, the hook of your videos, because people are scrolling through, okay? And your ideal clients are scrolling through, actively looking for a solution to their pain. But if you don't hook them in straight away, they're just never going to want to watch your content again because they've swiped away straight away. Okay, and their algorithm won't push the video out to them because they didn't watch it for more than like 3 seconds. Okay, so the hook is at the start of your video if you didn't know, so it's a hook for a reason. It hooks people in. You have 3 seconds to hook your viewer in before they decide to leave. Okay, so you have 3 seconds. 3 seconds, that's it, before they decide to leave. And this will make or break whether people stay on your video or not. Okay, so you need to get this right. And you need to get it right ASAP. You need to learn how to hook your viewer in. And it's 3 main styles of hooks I like to use. And before you question my competence, this is just I know I'm an advocate of, you don't have to go viral to get clients. But if you go viral, just see it as another win. As long as you're speaking to your ideal client, and if you go viral and you know your messaging is still dialed and you're speaking directly to your ideal client, don't worry, that's a good thing. Okay, so as you can see here, 100k views for my client, 96k views, 2 million views for my client. Got 2 of my clients to 100k followers each, 100k, 950k annual revenue, insane. He's made 5k in less than 48 hours. Okay, so these are clients I've helped. And also, by the way, I've scaled my own TikTok account to 22k followers, and I was getting 10 million views every single month. 10 million views. Okay, and what I've learned by all of this is the hook of the video is by far the most important part of your video. Okay, if you dial in your hook, especially for short form content, you're going to do amazingly well. Yes, long form content is still important, but as you can tell, I don't really put effort into the hook of my videos or long form because I only want people who actually want value to watch. Okay, so I don't want people who have low attention spans to watch my videos. But short form, you have to actually hook people in. And yeah, so there's 3 main hook styles. There's a visual hook, there's a controversial hook, and then there's an authority hook. Okay, and these are the only 3 main hooks you need to focus on. Don't listen to anyone else who says there's hundreds of hooks you need to focus on these 3. Okay, these 3, and intertwine them together if you really want to. Okay, so for example, you could put a visual hook with a controversial hook. You could put a visual hook with an authority hook. You could put you could put them all together if you really wanted to. But yeah, let's just go through what they are before, so you don't get like, oh, what's going on? Okay, don't worry, you understand. So basically, a visual hook is something which appears on your screen straight away to grab your viewers' attention. And what you truly need to understand is we're visual creatures. You need to stimulate your viewer as soon as they see your video to hook them in. So you need something to appear on the screen to hook your viewer in, so they're like, oh damn. Oh damn, let me watch that. Okay, so, and this is why, especially for your short form content, you need some kind of video editor. Okay, and we have a team of video editors at JMB Media, so you know, you do need a video editor, especially for short form content, 100%, because it's a visual hook. It needs to look good. It needs to hook the viewer in, and you can only do that with a good editor. So as you can see here, here's my visual hook. Really simple, but it's just a title summarizing the video and some visual aspects. And I like to normally follow this framework when it comes to a visual hook. My editors follow this framework. So there is a title summarizing the video, so increase your offer's earnings. There's an image creating curiosity, okay, and there's an image stopping the scroll. So this is going to stop the scroll because it makes my video look quality, and this image is going to build curiosity because they're going to be like, Why is he nervous? What's going on? Why is he even in the picture? Why is he even in the video? Okay, and also a title summarizing the video so they know what the video is going to be about. So it's going to intrigue them, and you can also make this controversial if you really want to stop the scroll even more. Okay, and this will grab your audience attention ASAP because it's visually stimulating. And as I said, you do need good editors to make this hook work, like 100%. And it's also going to save you a bunch of time when you have editors as well. So yeah, that's the visual hook. Highly suggest you implementing this visual hook. Just something to appear on the screen straight away to stop the viewer's scroll, so they're like, okay, I want to watch this video. It's just visually stimulating, and yeah, it makes your videos look so much more quality as well, which is a good thing because the quality of your videos represents your personal brand, which represents your business. Okay, so next I want to move on to controversial hooks. So now, controversy will always be king because humans love drama. They love, like, have you seen people in the comment sections of some people's reels? It's insane, and that's why they're going viral. Okay, but as I said, you don't need to go viral, but it does get your video pushed out to more people if you do get engagement and watch time. So if you're controversial within the first few seconds of a video, well, people will pay attention to what you're about to say, and it will also shock them. They'll be like, what? They'll be like, basically a controversial hook makes people want to comment straight away as soon as they heard what you say. Okay, that's the whole goal of it. And I was getting 10 million views a month, as I said, and all I was doing was being controversial, literally. I was doing funny gym fitness skits, and they were all controversial, very controversial. I don't even want to show you them. That's how controversial they were. So controversy will always win, especially if your main goal is to just have more awareness. But remember, it's okay. It's okay to you have awareness, yes, of course, but you need the right awareness, and that's where your messaging comes involved, and you need to speak directly to your ideal client. And I'm going to go through different types of controversy because I don't want you to use the wrong one, because then you're just going to go to randoms, and randoms do not get you paid. That's what you truly need to realize, guys. Randoms do not get you paid. They're never going to get you paid. Okay, your ideal clients are going to get you paid because you're speaking directly to them. So there's niche controversy and there's broad controversy, and I want you to be niche controversy, because if you're broad controversial, you start to go to random people, which is not what we want to do. Okay, we don't want to go to random people. We want to go to our ideal clients. And answer this question, like, seriously. I know you're probably like, oh, I wanted to go viral. Why do you want to go viral? What would you rather, 100,000 randoms on your page or 1,000 people who are your ideal client? I don't know about you, but I would say the 1,000 people. Okay, 100%. 100%. The 1,000 people who are my ideal clients, who are willing to pay me thousands, yes, of course I would pick them. And there's 100,000 people who are just randoms, who aren't even interested in what I sell, who aren't even interested in the industry. They only clicked on the video because I made one video that was talking about a completely different topic that went viral. I don't think I would like that. Okay, so you need to think about that as well for your business, for your coaching offer. Stop thinking about going viral. Think about speaking directly to your ideal client, and if you go viral, it's a bonus. Okay, so first of all, niche controversy I just want to go through, and this type of controversy is being controversial but within your industry. Okay, so for example, just a random example, I do fitness examples, by the way, because they're the easiest to understand. Everyone understands them because most entrepreneurs go to the gym. Okay, so for example, bench press will not grow your chest. If I said that at the start of my video, people are going to be like, what do you mean? Of course it will. And they're going to want to start commenting. They're going to be like, what you want about? Of course it will. Okay, and that is controversy, but within the industry. So a load of gym goers will start commenting, and that's my ideal client, for example. Okay, if I'm targeting gym goers. Okay, so I definitely suggest you being niche controversial instead of being broad. Okay, because broad again goes to random people. We don't want to go to random people. We want to reach our ideal clients. Okay, this is very controversial, and it's going to get people to start arguing in the comment section as well, and that's very important, especially if you want more awareness. Like, people arguing in the comment section, it's just going to get a load of comments, and the two metrics you should be focusing on is engagement and watch time. Like, those are the only two things you need to focus on if you want to go out to more people. Okay, and that's engagement. Comments is engagement. You understand what I'm saying? So that's why I suggest you just being controversial, but within your industry, being niche controversial. Okay, and next I just want to go over broad controversial. So if you do want to do this, you can. Definitely wouldn't suggest doing it all the time, because you're just going to keep on going to random people. Okay, randoms do not get you paid. Okay, they do not get you paid. Even Alex Hormozi has said this. He's switched his content about from all the dating content, from all the fitness content, from all the dessert content to niche content. Okay, he's literally speaking about business 24/7 now. Okay, because that's what people like. That's who his target audience is. Okay, so if you don't take that from me, take it from $100 million CEO. Broad controversy, this is just being controversial, but to the majority of the population. Okay, so for example, just a very controversial one here, girls can't drive. If I said that within one of my pieces of content, oh my gosh, that would have went so viral. Okay, because it's very controversial to a certain amount, like half of the population who are girls. Okay, and also another one that I done like ages ago that done super well, but was nothing to do with what I sell, is I said, if you go clubbing, you're a bum. And that done super well. The only reason it done super well is because it got comments, people arguing within the comments, and it got pushed out to more people. But it's nothing to do with what I sell. Okay, so that's where I learned. Okay, I learned. Okay, stop focusing on views, focusing on speaking directly to your ideal client. Okay, and this would be very controversial, and again start loads of arguments in the comment section, which again is engagement, and more engagement means your video will be pushed out to more people. That's the controversial hooks. I hope you implement these, because remember, niche controversy. Okay, be niche controversy, not broad. 100% recommend the niche side of things. 100%. The next hook I want to go through is the authority hook, and these are super important because it positions you as an expert, and people need to know you know your shit. Otherwise, if they don't, they're not going to buy from you, because they don't have trust for you, and trust is the number one thing you need to sell somebody something. Okay, so an authority hook is basically showing people you know your shit. Okay, if your ideal client sees that you have helped someone do something they want to achieve, they will stop and make sure they watch the video. And this is why authority hooks are super important to get more clients. Okay, to get more clients. This is going to get you a load of clients because you have social proof, you have proof of concept. Okay, so for example, my client gained 3 inches on his biceps in 3 weeks, and here's exactly how we did it. That's social proof. Person who wants to gain inches on their biceps are going to stop and watch that. Okay, that which is your ideal client. Okay, so if I said this within my content, it now positions me as an authority within my space. It also makes my ideal clients want to stop on the video and listen to what I have to say, because they want to gain those 3 inches on their biceps. Okay, and guys, that's your ideal client, because they're stopping and they actively want that, and you actually sell that to people. Okay, so it is your ideal client who's stopping on your video and watching this. Okay, so it's very important. These hooks are really, really good to use, and are crucial because we're in a trust recession. We're not just in a recession, we're in a trust recession. So people can't just watch a video and then convert straight away. Okay, you have to build up trust over a longer period of time, and also have a bunch of social proof. Use these hooks a lot within your content to show off your clients' results, and yeah, definitely show whatever social proof you have. Make sure you show it. Even as well, if you have social proof of yourself, that's still social proof because you've done it yourself. Show that as well. So for example, you could change this to, I gained 3 inches on my biceps in three weeks, and here's exactly how I did it. That's just more social proof. So yeah, make sure you use these authority hooks within your content. 100% recommend you doing that. And I'm also gonna leave 50 hooks down below. So these are gonna be free, and you could just plug and play them into your videos. Highly suggest you grabbing them. They're literally down below. It's for free. I don't even think I'm gonna make you have to put your email in, so you can just use them. I know, I'm feeling generous. But yeah, you can definitely use them. But remember, the hook is the most important part of your video. And what I want you to take from this video is going viral. Yes, it can be good, but speak directly to your ideal client. And if you go viral, good. Okay, it's okay. But focus on being niche, controversial, if you want to be controversial, because it will go out to more people if you are controversial, but focus on being niche controversial, okay? Because then it's going to go to more of your ideal clients. And of course, guys, there's more kind of hooks that you can use, but these are the 3 main hooks that I suggest you using. I don't want you to overcomplicate everything, because personal branding is already complicated enough. So just use these 3 hooks. You can put together the visual hook and the authority hook. You can put together the visual hook and the controversial hook. Like, I actually suggest you doing that. So have a good editor and use a controversial hook by saying it, and use a visual hook by putting it on the screen. And you can also make this title controversial if you're using the controversial hooks and everything like that. But just be controversial. Like, the main thing I've learned from my 4-year journey on content creation is just controversy always will win, like, no matter what. And of course, being authority, everything like that, but controversy just always win, because people love drama, okay? They want to be right as well, and they're going to make sure they're right by commenting in the comment section, okay? So yeah, I hope you got some value from this video. Those are the 3 hook styles you need to blow up your coaching business. I guarantee if you use those hook styles within your content, you're going to go to more of your ideal clients, and then you're going to nurture them. And if you have a second stage of your funnel, which I highly suggest you do, which for me is YouTube, it's going to turn them into paying clients, okay? So those are the only 3 hook styles you need. Hope you got some value from this video. Check out the 2 links in the description. One is showing what we do in more detail, and one is booking in a call. So if you do want to book in a call, check out the links down below. And also, there's going to be a pinned comment in the comment section, and this is going to be some free trainings. I'll also leave the 53 hooks down below there, so you can grab them. So I hope you got some value from this video. Thanks guys for watching. Make sure you implement this, subscribe, everything like that, and peace.